One, since I have a few seconds left, my wife was born and raised in rural Mississippi. Her public school desegregated, not integrated, desegregated in the late 1960s. That was 10 years after the Supreme Court said the Constitution required the states to desegregate their schools. There is not a single person in this room that does not think that that 10-year delay was inexcusable. And yet, here we sit in this state today, not 10 years, not 20 years, more than 30 years after our state Supreme Court, in the Seattle School District case, told the state that it has to fully fund public education. And people are still making excuses for why, well, now's not a good time, or it's really complicated. And we don't know the exact number. Is it, for example, for transportation, is it $337,236,250 or maybe $275? Until we know for sure, let's wait. The time for excuses, and again, this is my personal view. It's not the view necessarily of people I represent or other people or anybody else here, but my personal view is, the time for excuses is over. And we do need to start complying with our Constitution. And as the court made very clear, and I ask you, please read through the decision because it's an incredibly well-written decision. This isn't just one little clause in our Constitution. Education is the foundation of our democracy. It is what makes us who we are. It is what equalizes us. It is the great equalizer, not the way it is right now, the great perpetuator. Kids from good families, in good neighborhoods, they'll be fine. It's the kids who don't have the great families, that don't have the support at home, that don't live in the wealthy areas or even the well-to-do or even the middle-income areas. Those are the kids that need our help, that need the education that our Constitution grants each and every one of them as their paramount right. So that's the end of my thoughts, my comments, and now part 4. Any questions?